괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
요즘 따라 내 거는 내거 아닌 내거 같은 거야 네 거는 내거 아닌 내거 같은 나 이게 무슨 사이인 건지
Do you draw directly with a pen?
No, I use a pencil.
That's pencil? I didn't know there was a pencil like that.
Yes, this is called mechanical pencil.
Why don't you just use a regular pencil like I do?
Because this one is cooler and more eco-friendly.
Huh? Eco-friendly? How?
Because it's not made of wood, so it saves more wood.
Oh, I see, but it seems like it's more fragile and prone to breaking. It must be expensive too.
It is a bit expensive, but we need to be more mindful to our environment. Come on, you should use a mechanical pencil too.
Okay, I'll think about it. But can I try yours first?
Sure.